how all those questions. She can't talk. She can just shake her head yes or no. Get you, Maya? Don't run away, Maya. You gotta do the fish. Get out, wrap him up.
You can't change your ways. My baby got waves like a popcorn in a tree. My baby got waves like a popcorn in a tree.
Hi, Marguerite. I didn't mean to startle you. Oh, thank you. Actually, you startled me. I didn't know anyone was here. I was going down to put my feet in the water. Want to come with me? This book is called A Tale of Two Cities by Charles Dickens. It was the best of times. It was the worst of times. It was the age of wisdom. It was the age of foolishness. It was the epoch of belief. It was the epoch of incredulity. Would you like to read some more? Take good care of it. I won't accept any excuse if you return a book to me that has been badly handled. I will lend you others too. But you must do one thing in return. I want you to choose a section and read it aloud. The words are so beautiful on the page, but they're much more beautiful when spoken aloud. Marguerite, no one is going to make you talk. Possibly no one can. But if you love words, and I think you do, you won't want to miss the joy of hearing them spoken in your own voice. Your own voice.
It was the best of times. It was the worst of times. It was the age of wisdom. It was the age of foolishness. It was the epoch of belief. It was the epoch of incredulity. It was the season of light. It was the season of darkness. It was the spring of hope. It was the winter of despair. We had everything before us. We had nothing before us.